How to fix Telegram not opening or not working on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to fix your Telegram is not opening or not working on your iPhone or your iPad, then what you need to do is first wait for a few seconds, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your app store. From your app store, you need to just simply go with search and search for Telegram. After searching for your Telegram, if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update your Telegram Messenger. After updating, your problem might be fixed. So just wait for a few seconds till it updates. And once it updates, you will have an open option right here. You can just simply tap on open and you'll be able to use your Telegram. But if it's still not working, then what you need to do is just simply go back. And as you can see that it's looking like this. If you tap on it, it won't open, right? So it means that you have updated your Telegram and you need to wait till it's updated. So just wait for a few seconds. And once the update is complete, try opening your Telegram. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your control center. From your control center, you need to make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go back and then open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down, tap on general, and then go with iPhone storage. Under your iPhone storage, you need to scroll down again, and you will find an application which is a Telegram. If you don't find it, tap on show all, then scroll down again. Once you find Telegram, tap on it and then tap on offload app. After offloading the application, you will have a reinstall option. Tap on reinstall, and after reinstalling, you can go back to your Telegram and it will open. That's how you can fix your Telegram not opening or not working on your iPhone or iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.